So as we mentioned, to find the volume of this whole composite prism, we have to find volume of the first prism and then the second prism and then add them together. So there's different ways that we can do this, but this is one of the ways that we can do it. So we cut it vertically. For the first one, my length is 9.4. My width is going to be the same as the bottom width, so that's going to be 6 points. And then for my height, it's going to be the, can I see the height? 7.5 for this, and then 4.2. So you're going to have to add the 7.5 and the 4.2 to find your total height. Okay, so that's going to be 11 point for the height. So my first volume is going to be 9.4 times 6.6 times 11.7. And the answer is 725. If you see that the answer, the units are to one decimal place, report your answer to one decimal place.
How did you get 11.7?
If you look at this, the height, right, it's made of this, right, and this,
Oh, okay.
right? So you add them together, that will give you. So because all my units are to one decimal place, I'm going to report my answer to one decimal place, and that's going to be 725.9, and because it's volume, it's centimeter cube. I'm looking at my second volume. So for my second volume, I have the length, the width, the height, which is 7.5, the width, which is 6.6, and I still need to find this, right? I don't know what that bottom side is. I have to look for that. And this side is basically the total, the whole side, which is 16.8 minus 9.4, right? To find that side, you're going to do the whole thing, which is 16.8, and take away the 9.4 from it, all right? Which is going to give me 7.4. Are we okay with that? So the second volume is going to be length times width times height again, and that's going to be 7.5 times 6.6 times 7.4. And then you guys should know that no matter which way you put them, it doesn't matter if it's multiplication, you're going to get the same answer. So 7.5 times 6.6 times 7.4, and I am getting 366.3, again, centimeter cube. To find the total volume, you add the two volumes. And that will be your answer, and it should be centimeter cube. Are we good with that? So my next rectangular prism has a square base with side length 7 centimeter. Its volume is 392 centimeter cube. Calculate the height of the prism. What do I know about that rectangular prism or that square base prism? I know that it's a square base prism, and that's very important information, right? Because that means both my sides at the bottom, what are they equal to? What are they equal to, the bottom sides? They're 7 each, right? Because it's a square base prism, right? So that means both sides are the same and they're both 7. I know that the volume is 392 centimeter cubed, and I know that volume is equal length times width times height. The question is asking me to find the height, right? It's asking me to solve for the height. I know the volume, and I know both the length and the width. The volume is 392. The length is 7 and the width is 7. And then I don't know what the height is. So to solve for the height, all what you have to do is you have to divide the volume by 49. So that means my height is 8. Okay, let me just write that. Step 392 divided by 49 equals to h. So my height is 8 centimeter. Okay? Are we okay with that?